Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best protective case in its class. The Pelican 1200 case with foam in desert tan. If you've been looking for a compact, ultra-durable, watertight case that doesn't compromise on quality or dependability, this is the one. Let's talk design. The Pelican 1200 has a simple but solid look, boxy, no nonsense, and built like a tank. This isn't just for show. Its body is constructed from high-impact structural copolymer, which means it can take hits, drops, and serious rough handling without breaking a sweat. Open it up, and you'll see what separates this case from the rest: the customizable pick-and-pluck foam interior. You can shape the foam to snugly fit whatever you're protecting, whether it's a DSLR, GPS, radio, or other sensitive gear. It's an incredibly useful feature that transforms a generic box into a highly personalized storage solution. It's also fully watertight. The tongue and groove fit along with the polymer O-ring keeps water out. And to handle pressure changes, there's a built-in automatic pressure equalization valve. That means whether you're flying at 35,000 feet or deep in a rainstorm, your contents are safe, and the case opens easily thanks to that valve. For added security, Pelican includes stainless steel reinforced padlock protectors. These aren't just aesthetic. They're functional, rugged, and give you the peace of mind that your gear won't be accessed unless you want it to be. Despite the military-grade toughness, this case is surprisingly lightweight at just under 3 pounds with the foam included. And at 9.25 by 7.12 by 4.12 inches internally, it's perfect for those who need portable protection without sacrificing strength. Pelican backs this up with their legendary guarantee: you break it, they replace it. Simple as that. And that's not just marketing. They've built their brand on real-world performance and decades of reliability. So, who's this for? Adventurers, photographers, military personnel, engineers, anyone who needs uncompromising protection in a compact package. The Pelican 1200 case with foam is the definition of rugged, no-compromise security. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for one of the best protective cases on the market today, this is it. The Pelican 1200 delivers every time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews like this. See you in the next one.